talaga tayo mga kamuso. Who's at the wheel? How long is this train? Are you ahead or behind? Welcome aboard to the Perplex Express. And where are we going? Insane! And at the shut up! And at the speed of shut up! At the speed of shut up! At the speed of shut up! Okay. Now, nope. We're good. Anyways, let's start the game. Oh, grabe naman ako talaga yung panguna. Ako na yung pangalawa. Sana naman hindi ka matutunan. Hoy, Rafi, tumapang ka. Eh, syempre naman. I'll tell you why in just a moment. Sabi mo na yun! Syempre, bro, we're playing a game right now. Tsaka, we need to find our special guest. And our special guest is right here. Yoo-hoo! You want to meet me, right? Right. Then give me 50 pesos. Syempre naman, Brother Adam. Let's go! Okay, Brother Adam. Remember. Just remember, brother. Don't let that mean roll which will beat you. I know. Wow! Galing naman talaga. Jess na Jess. Nope. Okay na. Okay na po dito. Oh, you've come to meet me. A sweet Acacia. Well, money talks, but I don't hear 50 pesos from you yet. Siyempre naman, kaka 10 pesos pala ako eh. Where I can still work harder until I have enough cash. Bale, okay lang yan. Tsaka mabilis lang talaga yung laro, I swear. Challenge minigame for Rafi. Win ang double dart for coins. Now give it your best shot, Rafi. Now let's spin the minigame wheel. Sana maganda to ha, sana maganda. Yes! Akin yung 20 pesos, please. 20! Para matapos na. Bale, 10 pesos is just fine. Because I know if I were to pass by Brother Adam at the front area, he'll give me additional 10 pesos cash. Alright, Kuya Esnir. Whatever you do, huwag kang mag-visit sa akin, ha? Uy, galing. Baka cholis maglaban pa tayo. Kung para sa natin! Sana ako talaga yung panalo, Rafi. Kung ako talaga yung panalo, akin yung 10, lahat yung pera mo. Ang talo ka, Ben, wala kang kwenta. Huwag kang magdiniwala sa lahat yung pera mo. Oh, ano talagang balak mo? Oh, dahil na mag-basket shot! Basketball lang. Mabilisan talaga yun eh. Why are we very good at basketball? Why are we knows how to play basketball? And besides, he's gonna get the 3-point, and he's gonna win. He's gonna make a perfect shot. Why don't we get the 3-pointer? Yeah! Yan! Thank the Lord! That's very easy. ₱10! Ay, nako, malas. 1 peso lang. Grabe. Yeah! Wala kang kwenta! Wala kang talaga mag-winner sa pagnanakaw ng pera ko! Putang mo talaga! Bale, at least naman I can still talk to Brother Adam and get my money back. Hey, Brother Adam, how are you? Hello, brother. Hi, Brother Adam! Need to impress a celeb, eh? I'll give you much more cash to sparkle up for your glitterati. Thanks, Brother Adam! I need that 10 pesos! So badly! You're welcome, brother. I'm glad to help your favorite fan myself. I'd say howdy to myself, but I'm the guy you know, you know the rest. Sorry, brother, I just know you're technically busy right now, but I hope I can just meet this little baby and just give her my... Whoa! Who's that? It's Emil Sumangil! Yay! Wahey! Huzzah! Kuya Emil has taken charge of the train. Be the first to reach him and you'll make a big profit. Now that Aya Amos is way up front, but danger lurks along the aisle. Yeah, I know. Galing naman talaga. Hi, naku Kuya Sneer. Punta ka kay Kuya Gary, di ba alam ko yung balak mo? Yes, 5. Great. Ben. Galing ah. Yeah. Following you here. Yeah. Thank you, Kuya Gary. You already saved my life. You gave me money so that I can defeat Rocky. Yeah. Di bale, okay lang yan. What is important, I still have enough cash for you know. Uy, galing mag-versus na tayo. Kung sakali ko manalo ko ha, tandaan mo talaga, Bruce Roland. If I were to win the minigame, akin na lahat yung shop. Akin na lahat yung pera mo. Yeah. The money will be mine. No, the money will be mine. No, mine. Anyway, na tayo. Kung makagat ako sa pinakataas ng tore, itagyaw naman, malaban ka. Maglaglag ka naman ang kwenta. Tumigil ka na sa mga daldal mo, putang mo. What are we gonna win? No excuse! Wah! Yan. O, tingnan mo, mabilis ako. I could have won the golden buzzer for that. Yes! ₱10, please! 10 pesos! 10 pesos! 10 pesos! Finally! Panalo ako, mga buwisit sarap! Buwisit ka! May 10 pesos ka na. Dahil dyan, panalo talaga. Panalo talaga si Rafi. And what a fair sarap! What a sarap! What a sarap! Wala akong pake! Putay ka mo! Bilisan mo! What a fair sarap! Well, look at this. I'm going to the winner. The way now things are going, Bruce Roland should lose. So let's see Bruce Roland. Yeah, putay mo talaga, Rafi! Baka natalaw ako! Ay, nako, tarantado naman. Alam mo talaga si Rafi talaga. Siya talaga putang na gago. Epan, puisit, tarantado. Dahil dyan, matatalo na naman ako dahil sa kanya. Sana dapat mo na talaga si Rafi. Sana mamatay na si Rafi. Sana si Rafi talaga ay napunta na sa RIP. Ibig sabihin sa rest in peace. Sana mamatay na talaga si Rafi at yung YouTube channel niya. At dahil dyan kung mamatay siya, okay na ako, masaya na ako. Putang mo, gago. Epan, puisit, tarantado. Inutil, tarantado. Gago! Huwag ka matitiwala sa akin ha, manalo na ako! Uy, galing naman talaga! I have to get to the lady, fast! Lord, Tisa na mabilis! Yes! No time! Thank you! Well, check you out. Are you my biggest fan? For 50 pesos, you are. You're a star in my book.
Yay! Thank you, baby Shandy.
I got the star! Shut up! Puta, ino mo, nanalo na naman talaga si Rafi. Puta, ino mo, gago, epal, buweset, tartado. Ay nako, ayoko na. Bulis ka na dito tayo.